video is gonna be unboxing of my new graphics card, which is the EVGA Superclock GTX 1070. See. Nice. That. So it comes with a poster. Well, same poster. I don't. Did I say poster? Same poster. All right. As usual. You get the graphics card manual, which I don't need, and you also got the CD and a little sticker. See it? Little sticker. Very nice. Titanium sticker. And the driver itself. Sorry if I touch it like this. Alright. Come on, let's go in there. And another user manual. I believe it's 8-pin. No, it's actually 8 and 6. Alright, another sticker, which I don't need. Let's see. What's in here? Okay. It's a 6-pin, 8-pin. And here goes the actual product. Nice. I like it. See it? There you go. EVGA GeForce GTX 1070. And there goes the backplate. I'm gonna remove the film. Ooh. Nice. Maybe this one. Remove the sticker in front. And this one in here. Alright, this is really nice. Damn, how many films did I have in here? Right there. And another one should be right here. There you go, folks. It's actually one 8-pin. Alright. You get a little sign here, EVGA. I like it. It has kinda like aluminum brush finish. And too bad this front part right here, it's like in your face. EVGA. It's too big. I don't know why they made it like this. It's freaking huge. But whatever, my setup is gonna be like this. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I like it. There you go. I'm taking off my my cover, and a bit having a hard time here. Just a second. This actually needs one 8-pin, and I have two 8-pins here. So take out the other one, which I will use. Let's see. So
just kind of put the extender, PCI extender. Nice. Now turn on every light here. You get to see it. Cool. EVGA GTX. In your face.